episode 6 of Distance Eagle News. I'm Fina and today's host.
Today is April 14th and is National Dolphin Day.
I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Now let's head over to Ella for today's weather.
Thanks, Fina. Today it's going to be cloudy with a high of 47 and a low of 38. And then tomorrow we're going to have showers with a high of 50 and a low of 37. And then Thursday it's going to be cloudy with a high of 51 and a low of 35. Spring is definitely here. We don't have good weather. Let's head back to Fina.
Now let's head over to our first video spotlight with Alexis for a PSA about the coronavirus.
Hey Eagles, it's me Alexis, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a little public service announcement on how to keep yourself and everyone else around you safe during the coronavirus. Let's go. First off, we all know we gotta keep our hands clean. Not only by wearing gloves and putting on hand sanitizer, but also by washing your hands correctly. The CDC says that to correctly wash your hands, you must 1. Wet your hands with clean running water, warm or cold, turn off the tap and apply soap. 2. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Lather the backs of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. 3. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Need a timer? Hum the happy birthday song from beginning to end twice. 4. Rinse your hands well under the clean running water. 5. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. The CDC also says that we should wash our hands before, during, and after preparing food, before eating food, before and after treating a cut or wound, after using the toilet, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing, after touching an animal, animal feed, or animal waste, and after touching garbage. Secondly, the World Health Organization gives us 5 tips and tricks to prevent not only the spread of the coronavirus, but also any other contagious diseases. They say, wash your hands often, cough into your elbow, don't touch your face, keep a safe distance from people, and stay at home if you can. And lastly, try your best to think about what's at stake if you leave your house just to do whatever you want. The common saying that young people aren't affected by the coronavirus is a complete lie. People in their early 20s and late teens have been diagnosed and killed by the coronavirus. This virus is easily contagious and can hurt anybody, so please stay safe and stay at home. Bye, Eagles.
That was a great video. Thanks for keeping us informed. Now let's head over to the Trivia Center with Ella.
Trivia, Mrs. Vols got the number 1 answer, which was hockey. And today's question is name a state with 2 words in it. Name a state with 2 words. Good job, Mrs. Vols, and let's head back to
Ella.
Fina.
Make sure to send your answers to Mr. Meta via Schoology. Now for our last video spotlight, Haley is going to show us how to make oatmeal.
Hi, Eagles. So today we're going to be making oatmeal.
First, you're going to grab your bowl. Then you're going to get your oats, which I have a packet of maple brown sugar oats, and you're going to pour them into your bowl. Once you've poured them in, you're going to get 2/3 cup of water. Once you've poured that in, you're going to stir until all the oats and water are mixed in together. Once it is mixed together, you're going to put it into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. While you are waiting for it to cook, you can play with your dog and dance. When you take it out of the microwave, you're going to want to stir it and let it cool off before you eat it. Once it has cooled off, enjoy your oatmeal.
Thanks for watching, Eagles.
Thanks, Haley. That looks great. Now to end our show, Mr. Meta is going to be playing some Fast Money.
It's time to play Family Feud!
Here's our 4-time champion. Hey, Mrs. Ortman, how are you?
I'm great. How are you, Mr. Meta?
I'm doing good. Who's that good-looking kid behind you?
That's my son, Troy.
All right. Hey, T. Roy, how you doing? He's tired. Well, he told us that off camera, so okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you win today, I'll be out to give you your brand new car on Friday. Are you excited?
Oh, I can't wait.
All right. Let's get right to it then. Are you ready? 5 questions.
I'm ready.
25 seconds. Here's the first one. Name something a man might wear a long time before cleaning.
Jeans.
Name something you might watch through binoculars.
Birds.
Tell me something people have a hard time closing.
Ooh. Chip bags.
A bag. Name a question a father might ask his daughter's new boyfriend.
What are his intentions?
All right. And what monster scares you the most?
The Boogie Monster.
All right. Good job, Mrs. Orman. This might be a close one today.
That was awful.
I just don't know if I'll be out to visit you for your new car now.
Everybody has one bad day, right?
That's all right. Maybe you and Mrs. Ray had a bad day on the same day.
All right.
All right. We'll see if you're the winner.
Bye.
Bye. You still
All right, Eagles, let's see how Mrs. Ortman did. All right, Eagles, let's see how Mrs. Ray does.
Hi, Mrs. Ray. Welcome to Fast Money. Are you excited to be here?
I am excited, Meta. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm, taking advantage of not shaving, and
I never know what's going on.
I'm meeting all my new kids today. Today is the first day of the 6 weeks.
Good.
I just had like 37 sixth graders on my screen. It was a lot of fun.
I bet that is fun.
All right, so you are the last challenger for Mrs. Ortman. If you beat her, if you lose, she wins a new car. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so I have 5 questions, 25 seconds on the clock, and the
You
clock.
might make 30.
Well, it doesn't matter. I finagle it. All right, you get 25 seconds after the first question's read. Ready? Name something a man might wear a long time before cleaning.
His lounge pants.
Name something you might watch through binoculars.
Bird.
What monster scares you the most?
Pass.
Tell me something people have a hard time closing.
The door.
Name a question a father might ask his daughter's new boyfriend.
What has your life been like?
And what monster scares you the most?
I don't know. Meta.
Meta! I think Mrs. Ortman's got a pretty good chance of winning this one.
I bet she does. Can't wait to see her new shiny car.
I know, great. Now I gotta go get her a new car. Well, you never know how she'll do. Maybe you'll be the new champion.
She might be.
All right, thanks for playing.
Enjoy it.
All righty, bye. Don't leave.
All right, Eagles, let's see how Mrs. Ray did. All right, Eagles, Mrs. Ortman gets a new car. We'll be live in front of her house on Friday's news to give her her new car. Stay tuned. Woo!
Thanks, Mr. Meta. What a great way to end today's show. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. And remember to send your trivia answers to Mr. Meta via Schoology. Have a great day, Eagles. Bye!